In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your website tab on Shopify. This little icon that appears on the browser tab is called a favicon, and it's a small but powerful way to make your store look more professional and recognizable. By the end of this tutorial, your brand's logo will show up on the tab whenever someone visits your site. First, open your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store. This will bring you to the main Shopify dashboard, where you can see your orders, products, and other store settings. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Online Store and click on it. This is where you manage everything related to your storefront, including themes, pages, and blog posts. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme at the top. Next to your active theme, click on the button that says Customize or Edit Theme, depending on what you see. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually adjust how your store looks. Once the theme editor is open, look over to the left-hand column. At the very bottom of that panel, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the theme settings. Click on that gear icon to open your global theme settings. In the settings menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Logo. This is where you control your main logo and your favicon. Inside the logo settings, look for the section titled Favicon. Next to that title, there will be a button that says Select. Go ahead and click Select. This will open your Shopify file library where you can choose an image. If your logo is already uploaded to Shopify, simply click on it to select it as your favicon. If you don't see your logo there yet, click on Add Files, then upload the image from your computer. A simple, square version of your logo, ideally in PNG format, usually works best for favicons. Once you've selected the image you want to use, click on Done to confirm your choice. To finish, look for the Save button in the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This applies your changes to the live store. Your new favicon may take a moment to appear. You can open your store in a new tab